Hello, today we are going to look at how to work with group layers within ArcGIS Pro. So assuming you have more than one layer within your map, for my case, I have two layers. I'll make sure I highlight them, then right click and click group. A new tab opens, adds on our ribbon that is group layer. Once I click on it, I am able to select radio, which is the one that we are working with today. So we are going to rename this group layer of ours to NBC. And how radio buttons normally work is that you can tweak datasets on and off within the group layer. As you can see right now, we have the NBC color list that is on right now. So if I wanted the other layer to be on, I can just simply go to this layer and toggle on the button. And now that is what we have as the active layer within our map right now. Once you're satisfied with the changes, then you go ahead and save your project. And that's how you work with radio buttons within ArcGIS Pro. Thanks for watching.